myself Keerti Kalmesh Budni, and I am studying in KLEIT Institute of Technology, Hubli, belongs to Electronics and Communication Engineering. My project is heart disease prediction using machine learning with Python. In this project, the workflow is depends on the 5 steps. One is extracting data set from Kaggle, and extracted data we should do the pre-processing, and next is logistic. We have to separate the data to train and test, and another we have to evaluate by logistic regression, and after that logistic regression we have to train the logistic regression model where we have the input, and it gives the output by where the person has heart disease or not. In this project, first we have to import the directives as the numpy, pandas, and for logistic regression we have to import the logistic regression. To check the accuracy of the model, we have to import the accuracy score, and we have extracted the data set from Kaggle where it is zipped. So I made the file unzipped and extracted that. By hard data variable, I read the data from and uploaded the path. And by description of the every detail, like how many rows or columns the data set consists, and after the shape and how many we have checked here where the rows and columns are null or not null by the code hard data dot is null bracket dot sum dot. This code tells us that the column or a row is empty or not. If not empty, it gives the 0. Where if empty, it gives the 1. The main target data set gives us the prediction that the person has a heart disease or not. Here the target consists of 1 or 0. 1 represents that the person has a heart disease, where 0 represents that the person do not have a heart disease. We separated the target data set and imported and transferred it to the y variable. By xtrain, xtest, ytrain, ytest, we build a regression model where the regression model is fit into the model. The logistic regression is fit into a model, and by predicting the accuracy, the training data accuracy is 85%, whereas the testing data accuracy is 80%. By putting the input, we can predict the person has the heart disease or not. Here we can go to a random, and here the zeros last term zeros and ones are the columns of targets, where the others are the data sets. We have to extract the any of the columns rows and input here. By running the code, here the person does not have a heart disease. We can cross-verify that here is the 0 and where the person does not have a heart disease. If the term is 1, the person has a heart disease. Thank you.